Homemade salami pizza. Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. This is the ingredients you need for your pizza. Grease your baking sheets with butter or margarine and sprinkle small flour on the baking sheet you have greased it, and you can choose to put baking paper on your baking sheet and shake it. Shake it nicely. Please, let's start. Sprinkle flour on the surface you are going to flatten your dough. Put the dough on the surface. Use your hand to massage small what I'm doing it, and you flatten with rolling pin and make it round shape. Place the dough on the prepared baking sheet you have done it, and do the same what I'm doing to the pizza. You see, I want to make some round thing inside, and you do the same. Put the tomato sauce or ketchup on, and you do the same what I'm doing it. But tomato sauce, you can ask any shop you go, you need special sauce for pizza, or you can use ketchup. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell there and like it. And sprinkle pizza cheese on top. Pizza cheese, if you go to shops you can get those cheese. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me, like my Facebook page, and follow me on Instagram. And you put your mozzarella cheese on top. And I have mozzarella cheese recipe on my YouTube channel. Homemade mozzarella cheese is very easy to make it for yourself. Place the salami option. Any amount you want you can use. But it's very nice to use maybe 2 or 3. It depends how the size you have it. Sprinkle small black pepper on top if you like it, and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. The salami pizza is ready. You cut it nicely like what I'm doing it. It's ready. Hey. And you garnish with rucola if you like it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching my catering services.